Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Sparkling Doodling Koala. Today we are drawing 3 cute and super easy onigiris. The first step in drawing the first onigiri is to make like a triangular shape with a little bit flat at the top, not too flat. And then you curve it here. And then we're gonna draw the square. I want to make the square going a little bit out of it since seaweed is not like so thin. So it looks like it's wrapped around. And then, since he's gonna have a shadow, I'm gonna draw another kind of like outline, like kind of like not exactly on it but over. And then we're gonna draw a little U shape for the mouth, and then for the eyes we're just gonna draw kind of like U shapes but more curved. And then for the hands I'm just gonna draw cute little V's that are facing sideways. And now I'm gonna draw the cheeks. For the cheeks, I'm just gonna draw 2 little ovals. If you have a pencil, you can color it later. If you're using a pink, you can color it now or just color it later. And since they're together, just to tell you, please subscribe, like, and if you can, share it. So, moving on to the next onigiri, we're just gonna draw like a little line coming out of here, and kind of like a little triangle shape and curve there. Then you can draw a little like rectangle, and then for the mouth you're just gonna draw a curved line, and then sideways V's for the eyes. And now for the cheeks, you can make them lines or circles or a little bit blobby. I'm gonna make them circles. And I'm getting my pink again. Just like I said in the other one, if you had a pencil, so you can color it in later. If not, you can color it now. And now, moving on to the third onigiri. This one you're gonna make a little bit more triangle-ish, still round, but more triangle-ish. And then you can draw a little for the seaweed. You're just gonna draw the same one that you did here. And then the eyes, they're just gonna be 2 cute little circles. The mouth, you're gonna do it just like in the other one. And then for the cheeks, I'm just gonna make them look like they're coming out of the eyes. And if you want, you can make cute little emotions on your onigiris, like silly faces or sad faces. And there you have your super cute and easy onigiris. Yummy!